In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a link to a button in Brevo. Whether you're creating an email campaign or designing a landing page, adding a clickable button can enhance user interaction and drive your audience to take action. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the marketing option. You'll find this in the main menu, usually situated towards the top. Clicking on Marketing will open up a drop-down menu where you will see various options. From here, you'll want to click on Campaigns. This is where all the magic happens. Now, within the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Browse through and select the campaign you wish to modify. Once you've found the right campaign, look for the edit icon. It's typically represented by a small pencil or a similar icon indicating an editing function. Clicking on this icon will allow you to make changes to your campaign. Next, you'll be taken to the Design section of your campaign. Here, you'll want to click on Edit Design. This option will bring up the design editor where you can customize various elements of your campaign. If you're not familiar with the design interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's quite intuitive and user-friendly. Now it's time to add your button. In the design editor, locate the Button Block option. You can easily find this in the Elements panel. Click on this option and then drag it to the desired location within your campaign layout. Dragging and dropping is a simple yet effective way to position your button exactly where you want it. Once your button is in place, click on it to highlight the button text. You'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can adjust the settings related to your button. In this panel, you'll find an option to select the link type. Depending on your needs, you can choose from various link types such as URL, email, or phone number. After selecting the link type, you'll need to enter your link target. This is the URL or destination you want the button to direct to when clicked. Be sure to double-check your link to ensure it's correct. You wouldn't want your audience clicking on a broken link or being directed to the wrong page. Additionally, you can add a tooltip, which is a small piece of text that appears when the user hovers over the button. This can provide extra context or a call to action prompt. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to a button in Brevo. Before you finish, make sure to preview your campaign to see how the button looks and functions. It's always a good idea to test everything to ensure it works seamlessly. Once you're satisfied, save your changes and you're ready to go live. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made the process of adding a link to a button in Brevo clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.